Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's review Shiyaaka Rose Gold, aka Shiyaaka White by Khadlaj Perfumes. On paper, Shiyaaka White is meant to be heavy on the florals, but on my skin and to my nose, it opens heavy on the sweetness, fruitiness, amber, vanilla with some green woody floral undertones. This reminds me of a blend of 𝗕𝗨𝗧𝗔𝗖𝗧 and Ghazlan, both from the house of Khadlaj Perfumes. 𝗕𝗨𝗧𝗔𝗖𝗧 has a very distinct bergamot accord in the opening, which I don't get here. This scent profile also smells like Maison Alhambra's glossy. I will leave links to each individual review down below. The far dry down for Shiyaaka White is clean, sweet, creamy, musky woods, and amber. I really hope the vendor did not decant and tag the wrong perfume, because girl, this perfume doesn't smell like all the reviews that I've seen out there. The performance for Shiyaaka Rose Gold is insane, with whiffs even in the 12th hour. This is a no-brainer and easy blind buy if you want to get this. Anyway, that has been my review for Shiyaaka White, aka Shiyaaka Rose Gold by Khadlaj Perfumes. Don't forget to please like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.